Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your very own questionnaire button in just about 1 minute. So the first thing you want to do is go to this video's description and press the get model. And if you did everything right, you would just want to go to your toolbox, go to your inventory, and there you have it, your very own questionnaire button. Now I'm just going to be placing it right over here. And by the way, it currently has over 300 questions. Don't worry, I'm going to be teaching you in a bit how to modify them. Actually no, I'm just going to be teaching you right now. The only thing you want to change is this table right here, question of variants. So you guys can like delete some of them and add your very own, like how many videos have you currently watched. And let me just add. And let's hit play and let's see if it works. Sweet. And thanks to the fact that I got now the clicker integrated in my mouse, I can basically just abuse it.